Greetings, fellow crypto enthusiasts. I extend a warm welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of crypto quantum leap. And in this in-depth video, we shall unravel the essence of crypto quantum leap, explore its undeniable benefits, and analyze the involvement of Marco Wutzer with this revolutionary platform. As crypto traders and investors, it is imperative to understand the tools at our disposal and make informed decisions. So, without further ado, let us delve into this captivating exploration. Before we dive into the intricate details of crypto quantum leap, let us grasp its fundamental essence. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, a quantum leap refers to a momentous and rapid advancement, where investments soar to unprecedented heights. It represents that pivotal instance when your ventures catapult to stratospheric levels, reaping substantial profits. The heart of crypto quantum leap lies in harnessing sophisticated algorithms and cutting-edge technology to identify these auspicious opportunities and potentially elevate your crypto portfolio to new realms of prosperity. Curiosity often leads us to question the inner workings of crypto quantum leap and its reliability. This prudence is commendable. The mechanics of crypto quantum leap revolve around the seamless integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. By assimilating vast volumes of market data, historical trends, and real-time market signals, the system gains unparalleled insight. Armed with this profound knowledge, crypto quantum leap endeavors to discern potential quantum leaps within the crypto market with remarkable precision. It empowers traders and investors with the information needed to navigate the tempestuous crypto waters with confidence. Now that we have unveiled the essence and mechanics of crypto quantum leap, let us embrace a comprehensive understanding of its manifold benefits. Time saving. In the fast-paced realm of crypto trading, time is of the essence. Crypto quantum leap swoops in to save the day. By leveraging advanced technology, this platform swiftly analyzes market trends, sparing you invaluable time and effort. Increased accuracy, precision reigns supreme in the world of crypto investments. Harnessing the prowess of AI and machine learning, crypto quantum leap strives to identify profitable trades with heightened accuracy, minimizing the ominous specter of losses. Accessibility. Trading should be a democratic realm, open to all. Crypto quantum leap has heeded this call, crafting a user-friendly platform that caters to traders of all calibers, from seasoned veterans to nascent enthusiasts. Diversification. Prudent investors recognize the prudence of diversifying their portfolios. Crypto quantum leap offers insights into a myriad of cryptocurrencies, facilitating a judicious spread of investments and reducing the inherent risks. 24/7 monitoring. The crypto market never sleeps, and neither does crypto quantum leap. This vigilant ally remains perpetually attuned to market fluctuations, ceaselessly identifying opportunities even while you repose in slumber. A fair number of you have inquired about the association between Marco Wutzer and crypto quantum leap. Allow me to illuminate this matter. Marco Wutzer is an illustrious figure within the crypto realm, boasting a wealth of experience as both a trader and educator. His involvement with crypto quantum leap has been instrumental in augmenting the system's capabilities. However, it is crucial to underscore that his involvement does not guarantee individual results. As any seasoned trader knows, the crypto market is a capricious tempest, subject to a myriad of capricious winds. While testimonials can provide valuable insights, we shall now delve into the mechanics of crypto quantum leap to gain a deeper understanding of its functionalities. Algorithmic analysis. At the core of crypto quantum leap lies its advanced algorithms. These algorithms are designed to analyze extensive historical data, current market trends, and real-time signals to identify potential quantum leaps. Risk management. Crypto quantum leap incorporates risk management strategies to mitigate potential losses. By recognizing market volatility, the platform aims to protect users from unfavorable market conditions. User-friendly interface. The user interface of crypto quantum leap is designed for accessibility and ease of use. Both seasoned traders and beginners can navigate the platform with confidence. Diverse crypto insights. Crypto quantum leap provides insights into various cryptocurrencies, including established coins and promising altcoins. This diversification allows traders to capitalize on multiple opportunities within the crypto market. Backtesting and historical performance. The platform employs backtesting to validate the accuracy of its algorithms. Historical performance data is also available to users, allowing them to make informed decisions based on past results. Incorporating crypto quantum leap in your strategy. As with any tool, success lies in the skillful application. Here are some tips for incorporating crypto quantum leap into your trading strategy. Educate yourself. while Crypto Quantum Leap offers valuable insights. It is crucial to continue educating yourself about cryptocurrencies, market trends, and trading strategies. Start small. Begin by using Crypto Quantum Leap with a smaller portion of your portfolio. As you gain confidence and observe results, you can gradually increase your exposure. Diversify your portfolio. Although Crypto Quantum Leap provides insights, diversifying your crypto portfolio remains a prudent approach to managing risk. Monitor the market. Despite the assistance of Crypto Quantum Leap, staying vigilant and monitoring the market is essential. Markets can change rapidly, and staying informed is key to making timely decisions. Use your discretion, while Crypto Quantum Leap can assist in decision making. Always trust your judgment and intuition when making investment choices. In conclusion, Crypto Quantum Leap emerges as a formidable instrument designed to empower traders and investors in navigating the turbulent tides of cryptocurrencies. Its manifold benefits, insights, and association with Marco Wutzer underscore its potential efficacy. However, we must not succumb to complacency or surrender critical thinking. Prudence dictates that we approach trading with caution, investing only what we can afford to lose. Remember, the past does not foreshadow the future. The crypto market, like an enigmatic cosmos, eludes absolute comprehension. Rigorous research and self-education stand as formidable pillars, augmenting our endeavors in this cryptic realm. Unlocking the power of Crypto Quantum Leap by clicking on the link below. May your crypto ventures be abundantly fruitful, and may the cosmic dance of the crypto market be ever in your favor. Until next time.